Now after receiving your DVR, you should have one USB mouse, a power adapter, a remote for your DVR, as well as power and data cables and screws and an instruction manual. Now your first step in installing your hard drive is to remove the screws located here, here, and here on the back, as well as one at each side here and here. Now after removing your screws, gently pry open the casing, like so. Now take your hard drive, which should be a 3.5-inch SATA hard drive disk, anywhere from 320 gigs to 2 terabytes. Now locate your power and data ports here. When facing forward, they should be located on the right side of your DVR. Power and data ports, right side. Now on the bottom of your hard drive are 4 sockets, which correspond to 4 holes on the bottom of your DVR. Now line them up accordingly and insert the screws. Ensure that you have fastened all 4 screws and turn it over. Now you will take your cables now, the solid red one being the data cable and the multicolored one being the power. Insert them both into their respective places on your motherboard. Here and here, like so. Now insert them into your hard drive. Now, after doing so, tuck your wires in and replace the casing.